Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Costco digital membership card on your phone. So first of all, you need to simply download the latest Costco application on your phone. So after downloading it, you just have to open the application. Then inside it, you need to tap on this particular account section. Now over here, you need to look for the option that says access your digital membership card from your lock screen. So when you are able to see that, you need to simply tap on the option of setup now. Now on the next page, you need to review the quick system permissions required and then tap on the option of continue. You need to also enable some of the settings, like you need to enable location, the notification settings and the live activities. Then you need to head back to the Costco application to confirm everything is marked green. Then you just have to simply wait for some time until it shows you are all set. So next time you approach your local Costco, your digital card will automatically appear on your lock screen, and for this no app opening is required. So that's how you can basically get access to your digital membership card from Costco. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.